In cities and towns around the world, there is a common lament: the disappearance of sparrows. Once ubiquitous and an integral part of urban landscapes, these small, chirpy birds seem to have dwindled in numbers over recent decades. The question arises, where have all the sparrows gone? This phenomenon, often referred to as the vanishing sparrow, has attracted scientific interest and public curiosity alike. Understanding the reasons behind the decline of sparrows is not only important for the preservation of biodiversity, but also for gauging the health of urban ecosystems. Let's delve into this mystery to uncover the factors contributing to the decline of sparrows and explore potential solutions. The decline of sparrows, a global phenomenon. Sparrows, family Passeridae, are a diverse group of small passerine birds found across the world, from the Eurasian tree sparrow to the house sparrow. It's the latter, the house sparrow, Passer domesticus, that has witnessed a significant decline in many urban areas. Once a familiar sight in parks, gardens, and city streets, the house sparrow has become conspicuously scarce in recent years. This decline is not limited to one region, but appears to be a widespread phenomenon. In the United Kingdom, for instance, house sparrow populations declined by more than half between the late 1970s and the mid-2000s. Similar trends have been observed in North America, India, and other parts of the world. Exploring the causes. The disappearance of sparrows can be attributed to a complex interplay of various factors, many of which are linked to urbanization and changes in human behavior. Let's examine some of the key reasons behind this decline. Loss of habitat. Urban development often leads to the destruction of green spaces, including parks and gardens, which are vital habitats for sparrows. Modern architecture with fewer nooks and crannies also provides fewer nesting sites for these birds. Changes in agriculture. Sparrows rely on grain and seeds for their diet. Changes in agricultural practices, such as the shift from traditional crops to monocultures and the use of pesticides, have reduced the availability of food for sparrows. Pollution. Urban environments are often polluted with various contaminants, including heavy metals and chemicals. This pollution can affect sparrows directly or indirectly by reducing food availability or altering their reproductive success. Competition and predation. Invasive species like the house sparrow, introduced to many regions, can outcompete native sparrows for resources. Additionally, increased predation by domestic cats and birds of prey in urban areas poses a threat to sparrows. Climate change. Alterations in climate patterns, such as changes in temperature and precipitation, can impact the availability of food and nesting sites for sparrows, affecting their survival and reproduction. Urbanization and sparrow decline. One of the most significant contributors to the decline of sparrows is rapid urbanization. As cities expand and green spaces shrink, sparrows lose critical habitats and food sources. Moreover, urban areas are often characterized by noise pollution and disturbance, which can stress these small birds. The design of modern buildings also plays a role. Glass facades, for example, pose a threat to sparrows and other birds that may collide with them, leading to injuries or fatalities. The loss of traditional buildings with crevices and holes suitable for nesting further exacerbates the problem. Impact on ecosystems and society. The decline of sparrows is not just a matter of bird conservation. It has broader implications for ecosystems and human well-being. Sparrows are important seed dispersers and contribute to pest control by consuming insects. Their absence can disrupt ecological balance and lead to increased populations of pests. On a cultural level, sparrows have long been a part of human life, inspiring poetry, folklore, and art. Their disappearance from urban landscapes can be seen as a loss of natural heritage and a reflection of broader environmental changes. Conservation efforts and solutions. Efforts to conserve sparrows and other urban birds are crucial for maintaining biodiversity in cities. Conservation strategies may include preservation of green spaces, protecting and creating urban green spaces like parks, gardens, and green roofs provides habitats for sparrows and other wildlife. Native planting. Promoting the use of native plants in urban landscaping helps support local bird populations by providing food and shelter. Public awareness. Raising awareness about the importance of urban biodiversity and simple actions that individuals can take, such as providing bird feeders or nest boxes, can make a difference. Policy interventions. Implementing policies that prioritize biodiversity in urban planning, such as green infrastructure initiatives, can help mitigate the impact of urbanization on sparrows. The disappearance of sparrows from our urban environments is a poignant reminder of the profound impact of human activities on the natural world. From habitat loss to pollution and climate change, multiple factors are contributing to the decline of these once common birds. However, through concerted conservation efforts and a shift towards more sustainable urban development practices, we can create spaces where sparrows and other wildlife can thrive alongside us. As we strive to address the mystery of where the sparrows disappear to, we are also confronted with broader questions about our relationship with nature and the imperative of preserving biodiversity in our increasingly urbanized world. Perhaps by safeguarding the habitats of sparrows, we can also nurture a deeper connection between humans and the natural world, enriching our cities and our lives in the process. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks for watching.